This one word can turn any sentence into a hypnotic statement. And this word is because. I use it for reprogramming my own mind, and I use it when I need to, let's say, steer others towards the right choice. Here's an example. It's a very simple structure. Because this happened, or you did this, or you're going to do this will happen. Because now you're drinking plenty of water, your appetite subsides. Because you're focused now, it will be easier for you to achieve your goals. You can sneak this into any conversation and no one will ever catch, because it seems as a perfectly normal sentence, but our subconscious really likes it, so it takes in as truth. The statement can be truth that already happened, or it can be something that hasn't happened yet, but it will happen, because we are now programming our mind. We're programming this outcome. And the statement can be complete nonsense, and it will still work. Because the sky is clear this morning, my mood will improve. And with a good mood, it's much easier to tackle my to-do list. These two things not really related. You see, this is not the best example. We still can connect clear sky to improved mood and improved mood to productivity. But it can be complete nonsense. Because I am a tea drinker and I sip tea all day long, it's easier for me to make money. See, this is nonsense. Making money and tea are not connected. But that word, because, makes it as a perfectly normal statement, and my subconscious will not analyze it, will not resist it. And imagine if I repeat it to myself a few times. My subconscious will believe in it. And now, without me repeating it, every time I'll sip tea, subconscious will figure out ways to make more money. Hypnosis is not as complicated as it may seem.